just got some interesting devices in. As you can see, this is a LM1117 3.3 version. It's a voltage regulator which does 3.3 volts. I'm assuming from 5 or whatever else you want in, but I'm going to try from 5 to 3.3 because I've bought some other things that are using 3.3 volts. This is one of the variants, one of the chip packages I got. As you can see, it's pretty hefty sort of heat dissipation device on the back. You can put a heat sink on that, and yeah, it just uses that and 2 capacitors, and 3.3 volts is the go. And here I've got the surface mount variety also, because I've got some plans to do some PCB sort of stuff. And the device I got it for is this one here. It's a gyroscope. Let's have a look. Let me see. It does 3-axis kind of things. I'm sure you can find many different videos on YouTube regarding the usage of this device, but when I get it up and going, I'll give it a bit of a look into. And another thing I got was I was recommended to don't use that old technology serial interface. That's what USB is all about. So I went ahead and got a microchip 4550. It's a PIC18F4550, and I've mounted it on this board. This is the demonstration board. I just looked up the schematic on the microchip website, and this is what they have. There's a reset button, and the header that would go across here to program it. It's the PIC3 is what I have, and it goes in these pins, and then they run around. There's the crystal and 2 capacitors for the crystal. This is a capacitor for the USB internal regulator. I've got a couple of buttons here, and a header for an LCD screen. It's just one of those standard LCD screens like this. What is it? 16 pin. Yep, 16 pin. It's just a 2x16, I think. 2x16 LCD screen. Just fairly standard. So yeah, as you can see, I've mounted this already with some extra bits and pieces. Just got to put USB here so that I can plug it into USB, because obviously I don't have a USB plug at the moment. So more on that shortly.